welcome back to my channel. It's Haley, and today I am going to be DIYing this t-shirt from the Mayfair group. I follow them on Instagram, and their theme's just so cute, and I really want the shirt, but I really don't have the $68 plus shipping for it, but I want it, so I'm going to try to DIY it and make it as similar as possible. I'm looking at it right now on my screen. I'll show you guys. Split it, but it's like a Zodiac oversized tee. So I went to Walmart and I picked up this white t-shirt, and I got it in a 3X because I am really tall, so I don't want my butt to be hanging out, so I got in a 3X, so it's hopefully long enough. Then I picked up some fabric transfers right here, and then I made my own like transparent text of this, so then alright, I printed out the rough draft on just regular printer paper. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this so that I can see what it looks like and where I like the placement. To start out, I'm just gonna take my iron and iron out any wrinkles that the shirt has to make sure that all of like the shirt is even before I put the iron on, so that aren't wrinkled. Alright, I'll be back when it's time for the next step, where I feel like it'll look the best. And then after that, I'm just going to iron on, and I'll be back with the final results. This is what it looks like in its final state. I think it looks really good and really similar to the other shirt. I'm going to try it on, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like on, and yeah. Alright, and this is the final shirt once it's in its complete state. And I think it looks really cute and really simple, and I'm happy how it turned out. Really cute, really simple, and it looks exactly like the one online. I think it turned out perfect, and total, without including the printer and the ink and the iron, this shirt came out to $15, and the original shirt by the Mayfair group retails for $68. So I think this is a steal, and I really liked it, and I had fun making it. And if you like videos like this, please subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you on the flip side. Bye guys.